In this video, I'm going to be talking about what, in my opinion, is the best strategy to help you to get more Redbubble sales. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can make money through print-on-demand. Today is all about my Redbubble strategy. We're talking about certain things I think you guys can do to actually help you to start to get more sales. Before we do get into this, for anyone that's new, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description. That's filled with the information that I use to get my first few sales online. However, if you're looking to make print on demand into more of a full-time thing, I have a step-by-step paid course that's linked down in the description that will fast-track you to print on demand success. So today is going to be a bit more for chilled videos. I'm just going to talk to you guys and just take you through my own experiences and talk about the certain things that I have done to make my own shop successful. And the Redbubble strategy I'll be talking about today is one of those main things. So the strategy I'm going to be talking about, what it pretty much allows you to do with your shop, it allows you to rank them up. And when I talk about ranking up your shop, I mean that Redbubble will then start to push it to more people, which will potentially lead to you seeing more sales in the long run. Now I know at this point you guys are probably thinking, so what is this strategy? How does it work? So I'm gonna tell you. Now this strategy consists of starting off by finding popular niches or trending ideas that you can bring into your shops. And why is it important to use trending niches? Because trending niches or trending topics will allow your shop to be searchable. When it's searchable, people can find it through Google, people can find it through Redbubble. Your organic traffic is a lot higher than it would be if you're just making a simple design that's not related to anything that's currently trending. And firstly, the main thing that does for you is that it increases your chances dramatically of getting sales onto your shop. Now on Redbubble, there's different metrics, so you can get followers, you can get sales, you can get things like favorites, but from those metrics, the most powerful is the sale. Now, if you are creating designs for trending topics, that will actually increase your organic traffic by quite a lot. And in the long run, let's say for example, you're covering trends that are doing better than others, that will allow you to see which style of designs you should be creating more of. I actually talk about this more in my most recent Google Analytics videos that I made. If you haven't seen that, it will be linked down in the description. It perfectly links to this video. And what this method does is that it increases your chances of getting sales a lot quicker. Now, like I said before, the most important metric for Redbubble is sales. Why is that? Because when you make money, Redbubble makes money. So think of it this way. If you start to post a lot of different trendy topics, and I'm not saying 10 things and you start to see sales, let's say over a period of time, you've built up a library of 100 designs, all linked to trends or popular niches, your shop will slowly start to get traffic, which will turn into sales. And if you're using that traffic information over time, your shop will slowly start to build sales. Now, what usually happens from my own experience with Redbubble, when you hit around 100 sales, you start to see that some of the things you post start to appear more on the front pages. Why is that? Because once again, when you make money, Redbubble makes money. Anything that's selling in their eyes is something that should be pushed to people. The whole game is to get sales. Once your shop gets sales and the Redbubble algorithm picks up the fact that you can get sales, if you have a certain niche you want to try out, whether it's something to do with hobby that might not have sold before, you'll notice those things will start to sell. I always say to people, cover trends, and when you cover trends, your other designs that aren't selling will start to sell. Most people, when they start out on Redbubble, they try to jump straight to a particular niche and try to get sales that way. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It's something that can work over time, and that usually depends on the size of a niche. If it's a big niche, it could take you a very long time to sell a design, but if it's a small hobby niche, for example, you can sell things fairly quickly. However, if you're creating trend designs first, it doesn't matter what niches you cover, even the broader niches that you have designs for will even start to get sales. Because at the end of the day, all Redbubble wants to do is to make money. And if your shop seems like a shop that brings in money, they will use paid advertisement to find your target audience, which will increase your chances of getting sales. Once again, this is something that I've tested out and I've seen works myself. I got quite a few shops that are doing well, mainly because I've implemented this technique. I thought I'll just share it today with you guys in this video because I know a lot of people are still struggling to get sales. And if you're someone who has completely no sales, you can try this and it will make things a lot easier for you. Anyways, it's something that I picked up on and I thought I'll share with you guys. I've got a few more very useful videos linked down in the description, especially for people that aren't getting sales at all. So if you're in that situation, definitely check them out. As for this video, make sure you're creating more trendy designs. Use the A to Z method if you want trendy designs. If you don't know what that is, it's actually covered in my free print on demand starter guide, which you can actually download for completely free from the link in the description. The A to Z method will help you find trends very quickly. For anyone using the A to Z method, I always advise to try to stick to text related designs, as that can protect you a little bit more from infringing copyright. But yeah guys, use trends, generate some sales, and if you have anything else you then want to post to your shop, start posting. If you've already got designs, implement trends. Once you start seeing your sales getting up, trust me, you see that everything else will also start to sell, and you'll see when you post new images, for the most part, they'll be popping up on the first pages. And to finish off, we're currently trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of 2020. So if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I am doing my best to bring you guys daily content. Any support is appreciated, whether it's subscribing or even just liking this video. It shows me that you guys are enjoying this content. Nevertheless, that is it for this video. If you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment below, I am made for this, because all of you guys are made for this. If one person can get sales, anyone can get sales. If you haven't got a sale yet, you will get a sale. Now I'm just quickly interrupting this video to show you guys something new that I am now doing. If you go down in the description, you see this little part that says, if you want me to make a certain type of video, let me know here. Now if you click that link, it will allow you to let me know what videos you want to see me make. When you click it, you see something that looks a little bit like this. Just enter your name or nickname there, and just below you let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. So this could be anything that you're currently struggling with. There's only one main thing I ask from you guys: check my Redbubble playlist to make sure that whatever you want me to cover hasn't already been covered in a previous video. And back in the description, I've also updated my descriptions for my videos, so they feature a lot of useful information. So if you want to see more videos, the ones that I recommend are there. If you want to see the paid tools that I use to help me with my print on demand shop, the links and information is there. You can even stay connected with me either through Instagram or through my Facebook group. The links are down here in the description, so make sure to check that out if you haven't already. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.